Hello.
Hello.
Can I ask you again?
Yeah.
What do you want? Math?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus, minus, times, divide, or square root?
Railroad.
Square root, are you sure?
Yeah, with V and then make that one with I.
Okay. Okay, what is the square root of 121?
121.
Hmm.
Okay. 121. 11.
Oh, good job. How about 2,500?
50.
Good job. How about 625?
25.
Good job. Oh, how about 900?
13.
Good job. How about the square root of 49?
7.
Okay, okay. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.